Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission committed to improve regulations for power sector stability. Ogun State government promises timely completion of ongoing road projects. Good evening, welcome to the English version of Nta Ijebu Ode News at 7, coming to you from our radio station. I am Orafi Ogunshola, and here are the details of the bulletin. President Bola Tinubu has requested the House of Representatives to approve a borrowing program of 1,150 billion naira to fund deficit in the 2025 budget. The President's request, read on the floor of the House by Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu, emphasizes the need to increase domestic borrowing limits to bridge the budget shortfall, as well as to enable government to meet its financial obligations and stimulate economic growth. The request has been referred to the House Committee on Aids, Loan and Debt Management for consideration. The German business community is collaborating with the federal government with a view to export labor, build capacity, and transfer skills. This is as the federal government looks to achieving a $1 trillion economy by the year 2030. Benny Adams reports that this was at the meeting between the Minister of Budget and Economic Planning and the German Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Abuja.
We often hear about German machines, which is in the automobile business, high technology of the Germans. But today, the Germans in here are saying it's beyond high tech, but also the infusion of artificial intelligence is taking the German economy to the next level. And they want the same for the Nigerian government. Behind that closed door is the federal government and the German Chamber of Commerce, as well as the Nigerian Chamber of Commerce, discussing on how Nigerian youth can get to travel to Germany to learn how the German economy works through technology, as well as training in the hospitality business.
We had 24 industries represented, including automotive, banking and insurance, consulting, mining and minerals, retail, renewable energy, financial services, financial investors, wholesale, healthcare, trade, ICT, and other services like tourism or transport.
Nigeria have a huge absorptive capacity, especially in technologies that Germany and German companies and skilled German workers have in abundance, which we believe can help in generating this growth in a mutually beneficial manner. We want German companies, small, medium, and big, to play a bigger role in Nigeria.
In Abuja, Benny Adams, NTA News.
Achieving adequate and affordable electricity supply in Nigeria requires absolute compliance to market regulation and other by both industry players and the customers, which the Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission says it is driving a new approach in line with the evolving electricity market. The Commission insists on discipline by market participants to boost investors' confidence, as henceforth defaulting players will be shown the way out. Joshua Ojito reports.
The guiding instruments of the power sector are regulations and orders by the umpire, the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, to industry players and customers.
There must be an alignment between policy, technology, and regulation.
The Electric Power Sector Reform Act of 2005 birthed the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission, which has continued to play a key role in midwifing and ensuring compliance to market rules and stabilize the market.
The institution has developed from an infant institution learning the ropes of regulation to a world-class institution that is serving the needs of Nigerians.
From the tariff methodology to ensure balanced pricing of electricity and fairness to consumers to initiatives to close the metering gap, compliance to some regulations and orders by market participants remain a challenge, and the Commission says it will rise to the big stick.
We have punished the licenses where they made significant, when you make flaw, ensuring that we have key priority projects, both at the distribution level. It led us to what we created or developed, which was the performance improvement plan.
Through performance monitoring and grid stability initiatives, the Commission says it has continued to ensure that Nigerians get value for every kilowatt consumed. Reflecting on 2 decades of journey in electricity regulations, stakeholders agree that while challenges remain, the Commission's consistent reforms have laid the foundation for a more transparent, accountable and sustainable electricity industry in Nigeria.
NAC need to collaborate with the sub-national regulators, guide them so that we can move forward and let us have a consistent regulation.
From enforcing consumer protection to promoting energy diversification, the Nigerian Electricity Regulatory Commission says it has played a pivotal role in shaping the future of the power sector in Nigeria. Joshua Ojito, NTA News.
You are still watching the English version of Nta Ijebu Ode at 7. We'll be back after this break.
Missy, calm down now. Now the way they look, we don't mean they look am. I don't be the close eyes they work now. What did they do you? Kola Alpha. Talk to Kola. But she not believe that she be my only babe. Hello, Missy. Ha. She don't cut Kola. No. Okay, please now. Let's see now. What's happened now? Now what she they do? She go say make I no follow babe. Talk, make I no look babe. Impossible. Bro, Sabek, calm down now. Don't mind them. I go call you for phone. No be, bro. Hello. Make I no lie you. That babe said she fine. I even call her number. We even come up, but we don't do anything, we just dance. Bros, what's up with that?
Free on Glow Top Master. Talk for 6 minutes and get 6 minutes free. Plus 15 megabytes of data free. Dial *606#. New customers also enjoy a welcome bonus. Glow Unlimited.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.
Wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white in all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent. Happiness with every wash.
Thank you for joining us. Ogun State government is urging residents of the state to exercise more patience with the government over delay in completion of ongoing road infrastructure across the state, promising to ensure timely completion. Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure, Adebowale Akinsoya, gave the assurance while monitoring ongoing road projects across the state. Akim Jimo was on Entourage and completes the report.
The 81-kilometer Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway connecting Abeokuta, the capital of Ogun State, and Ikeja, the capital of Lagos State, was the first point of call by the Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure and his entourage with a stopover at Ewekoro. Papalanto, it had a bad shape, giving commuters sleepless nights until the recent intervention.
The road have been in this condition for so long a time before the intervention of government. Residents are saying thank you to the state government for the intervention.
The left-hand side was open. We are going to work on the right-hand side, and the matter will be solved permanently. So once we start there, we are going to make a full operation.
At Ewekoro area, when it rains, all the artwork they were doing becomes
slide, very muddy, almost impossible. And at the same time, on the other side of the road, we are doing rigid pavement, concrete, to strengthen the road and avoid, because it's high water table, so we can minimize closing down the road.
The commissioner appealed to road users and other stakeholders plying the road to exercise patience with the government, promising that the Dr. Abiodun-led administration will complete all ongoing road projects across the state.
First, we accelerate, as I've said previously. When you are walking in the rain, it's tough, and that has slowed things down to some extent. Unfortunately, that's part of the inconveniences they are experiencing. We try to work around it. Everything possible to do palliative to minimize that is ongoing.
The commissioner, who promised a lasting, reliable and durable road projects across the state, said this informs the directive given to contractors handling the Magboro-Makogi-Matogun 16-kilometer road to use concrete interlocking pavement for the road, which is waterlogged area, which the contractors complied with.
From Akute through Lambe, Okiaru and Agbado, the situation is the same. Bad state of the road.
Contractors mobilized to return to Akute, Lambe, Okiaru, Agbado Phase 1 road, assured of timely completion of the road projects.
I thank God the dry season is coming, and we are very optimistic and positive that this road will soon be finished. Almost all the drainage has been finished, and the remaining work is just the road work.
Residents of the state commended Ogun State government for various giant strides in infrastructural development across the state.
They are doing well, and the contractors too are trying to speed up to keep with the time, but they need to improve on their job.
If they can speed up and finish it up, then it will benefit community. It will bring more economy to the road, because it's a very long road all the way to Songo-Ota.
When you don't apply your car here, it's going to spoil within a second. But now, I think we can be grateful that we can use our car prominently.
I've been sick because of this road. The road is dusty. I hope this time they're not going to stop. If they did not stop, we're going to give them kudos.
It makes economic power here to be very, very low. No sales, nothing. Everybody here is complaining very bitterly about this road.
The Ministry of Works and Infrastructure in Ogun State promised to complete all ongoing road projects by the end of 2026.
One thing also I would like to beg is for the people not to use the drones as trash collector. Because sooner or later, rain will move the trash to some point, but it will get stopped.
From Akute in Ifo local government area, Akim Jimo, NTA News. The All Progressive Congress has begun the digital registration of its members across the Southwest Zone as part of effort to strengthen its internal structure and enhance administrative efficiency. Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu flagged off the APC membership registration, train-the-trainer workshop at the State House Marina. Joy Ken Akpaboya reports that the initiative aims to build a robust digital database for the ruling party.
It was a gathering of key party leaders as the All Progressives Congress rolled out its e-membership registration exercise for the Southwest Zone. The Train-the-Trainer workshop hosted in Lagos brought together members of the APC National Working Committee led by the National Secretary, Senator Bashiru Ajibola, along with state chairmen, secretaries, and zonal executives from across the 6 Southwest states. Representing Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, Lagos Deputy Governor Obafemi Hamzat described the exercise as a critical step toward building a data-driven political organization.
It's important we must be able to know who are the members of our party, where are they? It's not just when the election is coming that we'll be running elter-skelter all over the place. We must know so that we can even synchronize. We can hear from them during governance what is happening in your area.
APC National Secretary Senator Bashiru Ajibola, who represented the national chairman, said the party's legitimacy depends on a reliable and verifiable membership database.
It signifies that a political party is not just a contraction, it's a membership-based organization. And so far as a membership-based organization, you must be able to have an accurate database This is very important to us because the time will come when the party will rely on what we are doing for the authentication of membership.
When we go out there and say that we are 1 million members of APC, it means that this number is identifiable, is verifiable, and we can count on it.
This program is also an avenue to show everyone that we are a very organized and capable people.
We're trying to do more to ensure that we can create a better reward system for our young people, in particular for the youth of our party.
The workshop is expected to hold across all 6 Southwest states with the goal of developing a centralized database that reflects the true strength and diversity of the party. In Lagos, Joy Ken Abakuya, NTA News.
This will be our way for you on our English updates. 24 Yoruba updates is Adetoye Adegberu. I am Ora Goshola. Thank you for joining us.
Bisi, calm down now. Now the way they look, we don't me they look am. I don't think they close eyes the waka now. What did they do you? Kola Alpha. Talk to Kola. But she not believe that she be my only baby. Hello, Bisi. Bisi, she don't cut Kolo. Now, what's happen now? Now what she dey do? She go say make I no follow babe talk, make I no look babe. Impossible. Bros, abeg calm down now. Don't mind them. I go call you for phone. No be bro. Hello. Make I no lie you, that babe said she fine. I even call her number. We even come up, but we don't do anything. We just dance.
Bros, what's be that?
Free on Glow Top Master. Talk for 6 minutes and get 6 minutes free. Plus 15 megabytes of data. Free. Dial *606#. New customers also enjoy a welcome bonus. Glow Unlimited.
Are you desiring a future career in nursing science, law, medical laboratory science, public health, accounting, economics, agricultural extension and rural development, criminology and security studies, and other NUC-approved and accredited professional academic programs? If your UTME score 140 and above, then this information is for you. Admission for all these courses is currently ongoing at the Atiba University, Oyo, Nigeria's fastest growing and cost-effective private university. The university is located in the peaceful, serene and secure environment of Oyo Township in Oyo State, Nigeria. Hurry now, admission is in progress. Visit www.atibauniversity.edu.ng to apply or call any of these numbers: 081-034-94152, 080-385-79822. What are you waiting for? The future is now.
Wonderful world of Sure Clean detergent. Oh yes, you can have a clean and bright wash with Sure Clean. Sure Clean detergent is tough on stains, gentle on your hands, and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Oh see, for clean white in all colors, Sure Clean detergent makes you shine. As you spread it all, you can see the shine of Sure Clean brightness. Now, wear your smile with pride and nothing to hide. Sure Clean detergent makes your family clean and happy. Sure Clean detergent. Happiness with every wash.